Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to completely hide the date and time present in the taskbar of Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my Windows taskbar, as you can see here, the date and time is right now visible. So how you can hide this date and time on your respective Windows 11 running computers. So firstly, just open the settings and just click on this system. Just scroll down below. Just click on this about and kindly check the version, which version you are using. Right now you can see the version of my Windows 11 operating system is this, and the OS build number. So if you're using a older Windows 11 operating system, then this first method may not work for you. So later on I will show you for the older Windows 11 operating system. So if you have a newer Windows operating system, then you can use this first method. So now just click on this time and language and just click on this date and time. And now you will see here one option, so time and date in the system tray. So just turn it off. Now you can see at the bottom the date and time from the taskbar has been removed or hidden, as you can see. And if you want to show it again, just turn it on again. Now you can see here. So this is the first method. So now if you're using older version of Windows 11 operating system, like you can see here 21H2 or older than that, then you can try this method, which I'm gonna show you right now. So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Win11 Clock Toggler. And on the first list, you'll see the developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here one file, Win11 Clock Toggler GUI. So you need to download this zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now the first file is the application. Just double click on it, click on run anyway. So now by default the first option, that is the date and time, will be turned on automatically. So you can turn on this notification area also if you want to hide all the notification area, and this is optional. Secondary screens, if you're using 12 monitors, then you can just turn it on also. And if you want to make it show while you are placing your mouse cursor on the right bottom corner, then you can turn on, but this is optional. So right now I'll just turn on both the first and the second options, and once you're done, you can see here one option written toggle visibility. Just click on it. So now you can see here the date and time as well as all the notification area options has been hidden. As you can see, they are completely hidden. And if you want to restore it, then just click on this restore and exit, and it will restore completely everything. So using these two methods, you can completely hide the date and time present in the taskbar of Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.